that even those at the middle class can avail of this insurance in a multiple policy type or multiple policy way, okay? OFW insurance, which is at, syempre may mga travel agency, it's a compulsory type of insurance kasi for travel agencies. Okay, yun mga nagpapadala po ng mga tao sa ano. So, we can also offer them that insurance. And cyber insurance, ito po yung mga sa mga HMO, yung mga gumagamit ng maraming computer that they have to secure their yung kung ano yung laman ng kanilang mga computer banks, ganyan. Meron pong insurance din yan. Okay? At meron din pong insurance doon sa mga nagdadala ng pera. Yung kumukuha sa bangko, dadali sa bahay, papasweldo, meron din ganung klase. Okay? And also, of course, our accident, which is inpatient benefit, outpatient benefit, emergency benefit, dental benefit. Dito, ang accident insurance po natin, not all of the benefits written here are offered. But with that kind of insurance, maipagmamalaki nyo na po kasi at present, kinokopya lang tayo. Okay, you just be aware, guys, medyo nakokopya tayo. Pero, ang ano natin dyan is who's the first and who can provide the assistance as fast as we can. Okay? So, that is and what we can do for you. Okay? Comprehensive general liability. Safeguard your operation from liabilities, secure your asset, manage your financial exposure, protect you and your team. Okay? Dahil nga po, pwede sa mga company natin i-offer. Even our microinsurance, pwede naman din po talaga sa mga companies. Okay? So, hindi ko na po iisa-isahin. I guess, I would like to know po, ilan po kaya yung mga GU na nasa loob po ng ating Zoom? Can we acknowledge them? So, at times, meron lang akong kwento later. Okay? So, please take note po kung ano po ang ating i-discuss. Because at times po, nagkakaroon ng difficulty yung ating mga tao to offer the insurance because they are not really that aware of the features. Okay? So please, the GUs, call me pagka talagang hindi nyo masagot. Pero as much as possible, be the one to call me. Okay? So, microinsurance, okay, there's the definition. A bundled insurance program that provides financial compensation for expenses brought about by death or bodily injury arising from violent, external, visible, and accidental means. The person who called me yesterday, please take note. Accidental means. Okay? Hindi po yung mga regular check-up. Scope of coverage. The insured is covered 24 hours a day, anywhere in the world, whether at home or on the job. Tingnan niyo po to. Anywhere in the world, whether at home, on the job, or traveling for business or pleasure. Ito po yung madalas tanong. Paano kapag nasa abroad? Okay? So, yan. Insured qualification, yan nga po sinabi, 18 years old and up to 64 years old. We are sorry that we cannot cater. Yun pong 65. Buti na lang bata pa ako. Naubo tulog yun. And of course, any occupational class. Okay? Take note po, any occupational class. Wala po yung sinaano. Pero, meron pong disqualification later. Di-discuss po natin. Okay? Philippine British, Bayan Spartans, meron pong 3 packages. Okay? We do have this 50,000, the 100,000, which is Plan 2, and 150,000 for Plan 3. Now, ito po ang common question. Lagi, na itatanong, accidental death and disablement, AD and D. If death is due to unprovoked murder and assault, if death is due to motorcycle-related accident, 50% lamang po. Let's say, nag-insure at 50,000. Kung ang death is caused by motorcycling, 25. Kung unprovoked murder, kung i-contest nyo, iimbestigahan. Because other people, they are contesting, bakit yun lang, aksidente, malay namin. So, for us to be able to avoid yung, kasi the burden of proving that it's really accident will be on the part of the claimant pa. Diba? It's always like that. Patunayan mo na aksidente. So, we are offering, in case of, going through that process of proving, so if they will be willing to accept the 50%, it will be good than none, right? So, at hindi lamang po doon natatapos naman ang ating package. Of course, kasama po ang livelihood assistance to family following death due to accident. Okay? So, syempre, namatay. Huwag na may dulot ng Diyos. Hindi po kaagad na process. Diba? Siyempre, yung pamilya, walang pera. So, habang inaasikaso yung mga dokumento, they will be given an assistance of kung ano po ang nakalagay under each program. For 50, that's 5,000. Plan 2, 10,000. And for Plan 3, it's 150,000. Okay, cash assistance in case of fire at declared residence. Ito po, declared residence. What do we mean by that? Declared doon sa policy. Okay, ngayon, paano kung lumipat within the year period? You have to notify us. Okay, notify us that there's this change in residence para po maging aware din naman yung company na lumipat nasunugan, hindi nyo bibigyan. Hindi naman naka-report So, we have to do that. Okay? So, cash assistance in case of COVID-19 positive result. Take note, positive lang po. Hindi kailangan na ospital bago patunayan na COVID. Okay? Positive result will do. Okay? Certification lang po yan. Napakadali. Emergency room expense due to illness and hospital ER expense. Illness and hospital ER expense. Okay? Pag sinabing emergency, okay, ano po ba ang sa pagkakaintindi ninyo sa emergency? Okay, that's clear. Biglaan, hindi ina-expect, hindi dating sakit.
Yes.
Although dating sakit, let's say may high blood, okay, nagme-maintenance. Pero bigla na lang nag-drooping ng mga muka, yung ganyan, pwede po natin pakinabangan yung assistance na yun for emergency. Okay? Or sabihin natin, nahiwa, nagkataon, bleeder pala yung tao. Alam mo yun, yung simpleng hiwa, pero sobrang bleeding, so pwede din gamitin yun. Okay? Ano pa ang naiisip ninyo na po pwede? High blood, diagnose ka with high blood. Okay? Ang high blood, hindi siya covered. Kung mamatay ka, hindi naman kung mamatay due to high blood. I'm sorry. Sorry. Kung sabi ko sa inyo, Tagalog kasi. Ay, baka may magbukas. Anyway, if the person's death is due to high blood, okay, hindi siya aksidente. Hindi siya aksidente. Pero, yung need niya to go to the hospital for emergency assistance, pwedeng ma-avail yung 5,000. Okay? Pero yung death due to high blood, hindi siya pwede. Okay? That's an existing disease already. Okay? So, klaro po tayo dyan. Includes also injuries due to animal bites or attack limited to dog, cats, and snake. Kung may alaga po kayo na cobra, pwede pa. Pero kung ang alaga nyo ay buhaya, ilagay nyo na lang doon sa Congress. Sorry. Hindi po kasali yun. Okay? Hindi po kasali ang kagat ng iba. Kung kagat ng inyong asawa, panalangin nyo na lang walang rabies. Okay? So, claims arising from accidental drowning, nalunod, or claim arising from acts of nature, nahulugan ng bato, nagkabukol, pwede yan. Okay? Acts of nature or wag na idulot ng Diyos, tinamaan ng kidlat, buhay pa naman, pwede pa rin yun. Okay? Are we clear about that? Please, yung po mga nasa Zoom, okay, so there's this question. What if diarrhea maka-avail if madala sa hospital? If it's simple diarrhea and it did not cause the danger in your life, hindi pwede. Pero yung severe pain, especially for those already with diagnosed with other sickness, let us say may high blood ka na, ang sakit-sakit ng tiyan mo, it can trigger kasi the onset or the attack. Okay? So that can be availed. Okay? Kung yun kasi, ang inalalayan po dito are those people old like Sir Jude. Yun po may mga existing diseases. Okay? Kaya pagka, syempre, yung diarrhea can also cause yung pagtaas ng blood pressure. Diba? So, it will be best na dalahin na. Okay? Kasi pwede at any time, like my mom, what happened to mom? Ay, na-atake lang siya because nabunggo yung tuhod niya sa stairs, ano yung patela niya, nabiyak yung patela, so the pain caused the attack. That is why she's up to now is bedridden. Okay, so yan yung pong mga inaalalayan, yung severance ng mga pangyayari. Question po. Leptospirosis, that is due to the rat na dumi, no? Actually, kung the person needs emergency, yes. Up to that point lang, the emergency expense. Yung pagpasok, pagdala sa emergency room. And of course, kung leptospirosis, that will be affecting already your liver, ma-hospital yun. But at least may 5,000 kang maasahan na I'm sorry, hindi po siya kasama. Because it will be a death due to non-accident, suicide, no. Hindi po aksidente and suicide. If it's self-inflicted kasi. Okay? Emergency is something caused by the environment, by other people, by other means, not by yourself. Okay? Thank you. So, nasagot po siguro yung diarrhea. Pwede po siya kung talaga pong severe. And it can, kasi kasama ang yung severe pain. So, diarrhea can qualify as long as hindi naman yung pwede namang magamot sa bahay, ginamit ko mo may insurance. But, of course, it will be up to you. Tanong, diarrhea and ulcer na sobrang sakit. Dehydration, I don't think it will be covered. Dehydration, if it is something that can be cured with 2 glasses of water, hindi.
Paano pag-avail naman kayo sa emergency? Reimbursement?
Okay, may list of hospitals tayo na naka-post po sa website. Any of those hospital you can accommodate, you can be accommodated. Just bring along yun pong kopya ng policy. But of course, if we are already in pain, may isip mo pa ba dukutin sa baul mo yung policy? Di ba? Dudukutin mo yung wallet mo kaagad-agad, di ba? Pero if the doctor can certify na you went there in an emergency manner, tapos the diagnosis is about emergency, that can be reimbursed. All you need to do is provide all the receipts and the clinical abstract. Yun lang po ang hinihingi namin. Or the doctor's certification that you were brought to the hospital or you went to the hospital because of emergency case. Okay? Klaro po ba tayo so far?
Yes.
Ang mga nasa Zoom, dengue. Dengue is not an emergency. As long as it's not yet an emergency, it's not covered. Is that my phone? I see.
Rapol.
Sorry. Ma'am, appendicitis, if it's causing pain, yes. Dengue, if the person is already in pain talaga, po pwede. Lahat nung anything that can cause severance. And anything na yung tao ay hindi na makagulapay. That's an emergency, di ba? Alam niyo naman yung feeling yung natataranta ka na. So that's an emergency. Na inisip mo baka mas lumala pa. Okay? So that's an emergency. So yung mga ganyan po pwede yan basta talagang severe pain. Okay? That can cause attack of other illnesses. Okay? So, for accidental death and disablement, napaliwanag na po natin yan, that you will only be able to get in case of accidental death or disablement, paid to insured person, immediate family, or his legal heir. Pag, ano po siya, yan yung coverage, plan 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Pag, aksidente lang talaga. Provided hindi unprovoked murder and motorcycling. Okay? Accidental death is disablement. Nakikita nyo po, merong certain amount or percentage kung ano po yung nadisgrasya. Okay? Wala nga lang pong kasamang ipin. I mean, kumbaga, nabunggo ka. Wala na, hindi kasama yan. Kasi kahit ano sabihin mo, makakapagtrabaho ka pa. Pero yung daliri kasama sa paa at sa ano. Pero yung ipin, pabunot mo na lang o maputol. Kasi, kumbaga, it will not cause you not to be able to talk. It will not cause you not to be able to eat or work. Kasi normally what we are using sa ating trabaho is our hands and legs and feet. Okay? And brain, of course. Okay? So, yan po mga percentage. Nakita nyo, loss of each other toe. Naku, nagkabungi-bungi yung toe mo. 2%. Each. Yun ang pinakamababa.
Percentage na to, sa total na sample blood 150 or sa kalahati no? Policy. Itong percentage na to.
Yeah, percentage of the policy.
Total policy.
Ano?
So, kung loss of 1 lead, so kung blood rate, 70% to 150K.
Yeah. Okay? Tapos, okay, paliwanag natin later. Unap na putol. Tapos, kailangan namatay, makukuha niya yung remaining.
Remaining.
Remaining na lang. Kasi, nagkamali yung doktor na infection. Sorry. Unprovoked murder, yan po napaliwanag na. It was not provoked by the insured. Okay, ito po, common question. What if guardia? Di ba? Nakalagay kasi any occupational type or all occupational type. So, ang tanong, guardia, huwag na may dulot ng Diyos, na baril. Aksidente o hindi?
Aksidente.
Hindi natin alam. Hindi natin alam. Okay? So, Ang sinasabi nga, anything, at any case you will contest, it will be up to you to prove. Well, kung may kilala kayong, baka mayroon taga-Phil British na nanonood, mapagalitan ako. Kung may kilala kayo sa police station at magagawa ng report, ay, hindi niya kaaway yun. That can prove it. It's not provoked. Right? So, pwede niyo makuha yung buo. Pero still, you will be the one to provide the proof. Okay? So, except for, ito yung mga disqualification or exception. Political activities, engaging in political activities, performing investigative, security, or political function. Itong sa security, kung mga bangko, mga ano, okay lang yan eh. Ang particular kami yung mga security ng politiko. Kasi normally kasi sila yung expose eh, di ba? Siyempre, sobrang pagmamahal sa amo, sinalo yung bala. Ganon. So, yun yung mga security ano. In any of the following areas, ito yung sinasabi ko, yung sa Mindanao, di ba? May nakalagay tayo. The 37 branches, merong Mindanao. But, meron tayong area dito na hindi kasali. Okay? Provided that in any of the following areas, Lanao, Del Norte, Del Sur, North and South Cotabato, Zamboanga del Norte, Del Sur, Maguindanao, Sultan Kudarat, and Sulu. Tanong, paano kung empleyado lang doon nangyari yung ano? Go back to rule number. Hindi. Naalala ko lang yung sa training. Ito, not engaging. Ito, in political activities, performing investigative security and political function. Because, basta hindi. Pero, kahit taga ron, yung mga tao, doon sa mga areas na nabanggit na yun, as long as hindi yun ang kanilang trabaho, covered. Yeah. Kasi kayo, especially kayo sa Palawan, di ba? Ako, from South Cotabato, Lanao, yung ganyan. Alam ko yung mga lugar na yan. As long as they are not, yeah, covered.
Pwede pa rin.
Yes.
As long as hindi sila sa covered.
Oo, basta wag na lang kayo lalapit sa politiko. Huwag kayong tatabi kasi baka mapagkamalan kayong gwardiya eh. Eh, nung rat-rat eh, wag na may dulot ng Diyos. Diyos ko po, ano na pinagsasasabi ko. About sa mga diabetic na biglang tumaas ang sugar. Yes, of course, you can avail of that. Kasi pwede pong mag-cause ng severance of the whatever is the disease. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Nelia, yes po, it's covered. What is bakit po? Legends. Edeline Panyo, what is bakit po? Ano po yung tanong? Bakit po?
Kasi pag daw sa gwardiya.
Yun po ba?
Mga sa places. Sa places na restricted.
Dahil taga ano siya? Legends eh. Taga inyo, no? Madam Edeline, okay? Meron po tayong it did not happen while the insured is engaging in political so and so. Yun po. Okay? Yun po yung relasyon dun sa bakit hindi pwede sa mga areas na to. Okay? Yun po ba tanong? Yes or no?
Yes, no.
Yes po. Thank you very much po for responding. We have to be clear kasi ito, motorcycling in the event. Ito medyo madaming nagrereklamo dito. But then, di ba may rule naman talaga tayo that we have to be using helmet? Okay. Whether angkas ka or ikaw nagda-drive, di ba required? So, hindi pwedeng, or pwede mag-claim, Pero wag umasa ng bayad pag hindi naka-helmet. That's the straight rule. Kasi coverage for motorcyclers, okay, those riding motorcycles, dati yan wala. Kasi dangerous naman talaga ang motorcycles, right? Or motorcycling. Whether ikaw ang nagda-drive or angkas ka lang, it is dangerous. But with our micro insurance, we include it sa ating mga provision. Kaya 70%. But provided nga naka-helmet. And not ordinary helmet kasi may mga helmet ngayon na alam mo yung pang-bike lang. Oo, hindi pwede 'yon. Kailangan talaga motorcycling helmet. Yung talagang approved by the DTI na crash helmet. Okay? So,
Yung paano yung kanina in-explain mo na 50% ng accidental death yung makukuha lang doon. Ano nga yun? Kasi ito, makukuha ng buo kapag aksidente na
no, still
50%
50%. In-explain lang dito yung ano yung mga requirement, okay? In driving should be duly licensed, lisensyado. Just recently yung car ng pamangkin ko may nagbanggaan sa intersection. Dalawang motor na may parehong angkas. Pag tumama sa car ng pamangkin ko, napilayan. Di galit na galit, syempre. Pagdala sa munisipyo, wala pa lang lisensya ang bata. Pilay na siya, wala pa siyang lisensya, wala pang helmet. Sino mga taga Pampanga? Doon nangyari. Magalang, Pampanga, doon. Buti na lang, naka-CCTV. Eksakto kasi intersection nga, di ba may CCTV? Ayun. Kaya,
Bali yung mga amount dito na nakalagay, pagka motorcycling accident, 50% lang talaga.
50% of the plan.
Bali yung, paano makukuha yung ano? More na yun.
Hindi, kahit namatay siya, at due to motorcycling, still 50% lang i-release sa kanya. Because that's the provision of our program. So you cannot go beyond that amount because it is already stipulated sa plan.
So, for example, yung plan 75,000.
Good morning, Vice.
And then, di ba 150 yung plan 3, 150.
Yeah.
Then ang nakalagay dito is 75.
Uh-huh.
And then pati dun sa unprovoked murder,
75 lang talaga.
Meron siya?
Yes. So even if nag-purchase ka ng plan na 150, if the death is caused by motorcycling and unprovoked murder, only 50%. Nothing beyond that. Okay?
50% ng buong 150 o 50% ng 75?
No, 50% of the plan.
Ano 150?
Yeah, of the plan.
50 o 75?
Yeah. Okay?
Akala ko,
May question?
50% ba yung 75?
Okay. Okay. To answer the question posted by TJ Susan Q. Okay, what if nag-serve as nag-serve sa politika tapos pauwi na siya and meet and accident covered. Okay, to answer that question, ito po. Whether on the job or outside of the job, as long as you are related sa politiko bilang trabaho, hindi mo masasabing unprovoked. Okay, unprovoked yung murder. If it's murder, pero related ka man sa politiko and you met an accident ng, let's say, nabunggo ka sa poste, mga ganun, covered yun. Or nagmo-motorcycle ka, hindi ka binaril, pero nagmo-motorcycle ka, covered din. Okay? Next. The policy will provide cash assistance for the bereaved family. Okay, yan na po, malinaw naman yan. Maximum limit of coverage as per plan, 5,000, 10,000, and 15 for plan 1, 2, and 3.
Maliban sa 75 makukuha, ngayon pang
Yeah, that's just an additional.
Okay lang, isa lang. Okay lang.
Opo, dagdag lang yan. Sorry. Okay. Paano po payment niyan if may kinuha monthly po ba payment? What do you mean?
Baka hindi pa na-inform yan.
Paano po payment niyan? Payment po ng ano? Nung compensation? Okay. Payment. No, actually po, okay. To answer that question po, paano po ang payment? After you provide all the requirements, one time lang po. One time. One time payment lang po. Unless, hindi pwede kami mag-accommodate ng gawing pambayad sa utang, bibiyak-biyak, hindi pwede. Well, that I do not know how to answer yet because paano po kung OFW, motor accident, kasi dito po sa Morocco, we don't need license. It may residence card. Okay, if the rule says, hindi mo kailangan, dyan, at dito kailangan, since namatay ka dyan, dito mo pinurchase yung insurance, you have to prove. You have to provide a certification that you are not required to get a license to drive a motorcycle in that place.
So, pwede pa rin.
I cannot tell you 100%, but there is this rule, okay? We have to check if it's not really required there, okay? Pero since required dito, and that is our rule, that will be investigated and will be decided upon.
Pero pwede sila kung talagang
Yeah.
Pwede sila kung OFW sila.
Yes, before we made this program, considered ang mga OFW talaga.
So,
Pwede. Kaya lang, in the making of the policy or yung ating pagsusulat sa policy, we have to use their address in the Philippines. Okay? So, anyway, it's stated naman doon sa provision that anywhere in the world, may they be out or in the job.
So, if they...
Okay. If they made somebody disgraceful act, that's not covered. Okay. Fire cash assistance, yan po. Policy will provide. We do all know naman na po yan. Ito lang, provided always that the address used in the policy is the house that was burned or that burns. Okay? So, kung magpalit na residente, you have to report. You have to inform us. Kung siyempre iba nangungupahan, they have to tell us. Madali lang naman po ako ma-reach through your GUs. Oh, Ma'am Ivy, hi. Hindi naman. Ngayon ko lang napasnawan si Ma'am Ivy. Yun, Tagalog yun. Napasnawan. Oh, alam niyo yun? Yun po masihirap sa akin pag nagtagalog ako malalim. Okay. COVID-19. Nasabi ko na po, hindi mo kailangan na ospital. As long as there's this doctor certification that you contracted COVID-19. Okay? Pero pag na-hospital ka, bahala ka na sa gastos. Pero yung provision ng 5,000 bibigay sa'yo.
Reimbursements.
Oh. Pero kung ang hospital is accredited, then pwede mong gamitin yung policy. Pakita nyo lang. Oh, emergency room expense, explained na po yan. May tanong po ba? Okay. Sa question po, paano po, ma'am, kung ang age po nung nag-avail po ng plan is 60 years old, then tuloy-tuloy po siya every year. Mag-stop na po ba? Yes, of course. Pagdating niya ng 65.
That's pinag-feeding.
Ang bakit yung mga kapatid.
Before kasi diba, no, alam mo yun sa lumantipan yun.
Yes.
Ano?
But, actually, common ano yan eh, common concern. Ang problema, the Insurance Commission is now asking if we would like, or since we are already requesting for the adjustment of age na at least 70, ang problema doon, kailangan natin mag-provide ng proof that the person is still healthy or insurable. Okay? Yung tipo bang hindi naman nakatungkod. Diba? Kasi if we are some 60 years old already using cane eh. Yung tungkod, di ba? So yun ang mahirap eh. Oh, like or baka andyan siya, galit sa atin. Yun po ang problema. That is why ang medyo mahirap pong i-convince an insurance commission, but actually we've made already a proposal. Since di ba even our employment extended extend yung retirement age. So mayroon na po kami proposal because of the deal with Canada. They were asking po na kung sana hanggang 70 years old man lang. So nakikipag-usap na po sa Insurance Commission. Kung mag-adjust po, automatic mag-a-adjust tayo sa program natin. Okay po? Meron pa po ba tanong? One-time availment ba, ma'am? Example na emergency may avail worth 2K. No. Okay, with the provision of 5,000 po, for the emergency assistance, 5,000 siya. Kung nagamit mo ang 2,000, so may remaining ka pang 3,000.
Ano pwedeng magamit?
Yes. Ngayon, kung lumampas ka sa 5,000, let us say, you avail 4 policies because the rule is you can avail up to 4 policies or the total amount of insurance computed by the minimum daily salary times 1,000. Okay, yun yung ano ng insurance. So kung 600 ang daily salary mo, multiply mo by 1,000, you can avail of 600,000. So, how many 150,000 can we give the person? 4? Di ba? So, kung 4 ang policy mo, nagamit mo one-time emergency, okay? Iniisip ng iba, pwede pang gamitin. 1 emergency, 1 policy. Gusto mo lumabas ka muna tsaka ka pumasok ulit. To be able to avail. Kasi ganun eh. Yung iba kasi, iniisip nila yung program ng Sterling. Ang hospital assistance kasi dun sa program ng Sterling insurance is 20,000. That's a different story. That is more expensive insurance. Ang katulad nun with our company is the Emergency Protect. Ang minimum nun is 500,000 ang coverage. One time, one policy, yun. Okay? So,
Every accident, isang policy.
every emergency, okay. Ganun siya. Lumabas ka? Huwag naman. Para ka naman, ano yun, nag-emergency farming ka naman. Huwag naman ganun, emergency farming. Huwag naman. Okay. Ma'am, paano po, halimbawa, insured na siya ay na-accident siya, pero lasing. Oh, yan ang problema. No coverage for intoxicated due to drugs or alcohol. And no coverage for the already diagnosed insane. Kasi at any time, pwede magpakamatay. Insane na nga eh. Okay? Hindi po pwede si Bongbong Marcos. Hoy! Hindi, tayo lang naman dito. And who cares? Remember, sa radical ako. I don't, I haven't read any rule unless they are really risking the name of their company to cover any person who's with the habit of intoxicating himself. Wala pa ako nabasa, wala pa kaming alam, even with the Insurance Commission na ruling, wala naman yan eh, pag intoxication, hindi siya covered. Okay? Kaya nga pati police, di ba, more than some percentage of alcohol inuhuli because that's imposing danger sa public. So, intoxication poses danger to yourself. So, Mavic. Si Ma'am Mavic po yung nagtanong nun. Yes po. Bite or kalmot, anything that can, yung rabies, can transfer the rabies, pwede. Kasi di ba kanina, yung extension na animal bites, dog, cat, and snake. Ngayon kasi meron talagang mga nagano na kahit kalmot lang nararabis. So it will depend on the evaluation of the doctor and the certification that the doctor will give.
So,
Pwede pa rin ma-avail yung emergency. Depende sa certification na i-issue ng doctor. Okay? If they...
pero may case na nangyari ganun. Overnight play.
Actually, tanong ni Ap Albert, kung po pwede yan, magpapakagat daw siya sa pusa pa. Sabi ko, ilan ba policy mo, Ap? Kaya Ap Albert na nagtanong yan eh. Teka, baka si Ap Albert din to.
Hindi.
What if nakabili ng insurance is old, tapos na aksidente? Okay.
So,
Di po ba, ito yung tanong, what if na aksidente 65 na? Di po ba the insurance stops at the age of 64?
64 na.
Okay? Upon reaching 65, the insurance expires. Okay? What we mean by that? Do we mean by that? Birthday ng December, in-insure mo ng November. Okay? Next issuance, hindi na siya pwede. Pero, di ba, December magano na siya? Pero wag nyo nang gawin kasi ang rule namin at least 6 months naman lang bago mag-birthday. Di ba? Although, yung iba kasi hindi ka agad nalalaman yung birthday unless na ginagawa na yung policy. Di ba? Yung pag ini-encode na, ilang taon na po ba kayo? Kailan po birthday ninyo? That's the only time malalaman ako next month na pala 65 na to. Eh, naandun ka na eh. Wag panalangin mo na lang wag ma-aksidente. Yun lang yun. Pwede pa naman, pero hindi na siya makapag-renew. Okay?
Pero pag after birthday, tapos pasok pa yung
Since-
policy, wala na rin yung policy.
Hindi, pinurchase niya ng at the age of 64, hindi na lang siya pwedeng mag-renew.
Pero after birthday niya, mag 65 na siya, nag-may policy pa siya.
Pinurchase niya ng November, it will expire on November.
So, nagpasa siya ng 65.
Yes. Animal, ayan na po yan. Okay? Claim arising nature. Ito po, yung claim arising out of act of nature, yung baha. Okay? Yung pagbaha, act of Congress. Pero yung lumangoy ka pa sa baha, hindi yun act of nature. Ang act of nature na sinasabi yung sudden hulog, kidlat, tinamaan ka, or may landslide na bagsakan ka ng bato, those are act of nature. Diba?
Yung 5,000 makukuha nila.
Yep. Tapos, let's say, nag-earthquake, nabiyak yung lupa, nahulog ka, magkiklaim ka pa ba? Nahulog ka na eh.
Namatay yung namatay yung namagulang na landslide. Baka 5,000 yung
Hindi, ano yun, kung tutuusin, yung natabunan ka, hindi ka nahukay, namatay ka, aksidente yun. Okay? So, aksidente yun. Pwera na lang talaga inantay mong malaglag talaga yung lupa dahil nagpapakamatay ka na. Aksidente yun. Pero pwede ilaban yun, aksidente. Hindi naman nila alam na nagpapakamatay ka eh. Nako, baka may taga-Philippine British, magsabi na kayo dyan, puro, well, if nagpa-insured ngayon, then bukas na aksidente, counter gadget na. Depende po. Ito yung tanong na, what if, ma'am, nagpa-insured ngayon, then bukas ay na-aksidente, counted agad yun na magamit niya yung policy. We do have this 24 hours rule. Okay? Kaya kung gano'n ang sa tingin ninyo gagawin or mangyayari, huwag nyo munang palabasin hanggat wala yung policy. Hindi mo nang palabasin ng bahay. Hindi natin kasi alam. Kasi may 24 hours tayong rule. Okay? Okay, next question. Okay, kahit sa hospital, kung hindi accredited, you just have to reimburse. On-time payment, inyong baba ito or need mag-pay ulit every, of course. It's a yearly renewable insurance po. So, every year of renewal, pay. Magkano lang yun kung lifetime, no? Every renewal, pay. Mama, magkano makuha dun? Accident, act of nature, namatay paano? Kung magkano po yung policy coverage? Sino to? Therese to, ma'am. Si Ma'am Therese. Ma'am Therese. Hi. Anyway, kung ano po yung nasa ano, since it will be treated as an accident. Hindi mo naman gustong mahulugan ka ng lupa. Okay, next po. General policy condition. Ito. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Judy. The Sanomapas are having difficulty in encoding or filling out the form inside the system. Ano mahirap? Ano mahirap sa pag... Kasi Ma'am Judy even asked me to demo how to di ba duty na yun ng mga ng mga franchisee, to demonstrate how to encode. Because although topic yan ng TIP, do we need to demonstrate kung paano encode? Okay. Kasi sabi ni Ma'am Judy, medyo daw nagkakaroon ng difficulty ang iba tungkol dyan. Anyway, we would just like to emphasize, okay, email address na dapat gamitin. Of course, in all other, maybe, in all other forms na pinipil up ninyo for a client. Normally, ang nilalagay ninyong information all orders. Yung kanila na information, no? But in our application, hanggat maaari, we are encouraging gamitin ang email natin. Why? Para naman may after sales service ka pa. And at any time may problema ang policy, ikaw ang unang makakaalam, hindi ang client mo. Okay? At kung hindi lumabas within 24 hours, ikaw ang unang tumawag, hindi ang client. Okay. Ito yung isa namin gusto ipakiusap. Because though we do have this promise that the policy will be issued within the 24-hour period, nagkakaroon ng glitches minsan sa system. Just this earlier lang po. Ma'am Judy informed me na merong nakaregister sa dito, wala sa kanila. May nakaregister sa sa Spartans, hindi nakaregister sa Philippine British. So, kung ano, i-check nyo agad kung nakuha yung policy. Okay? Ni-register mo ngayon within the 24-hour period, dapat pumunta sa iyo yung policy. Kapag hindi, notify nyo ako. Give me the name, the address of how much and how much is the plan. Because we always have to comply with the 24-hour period. Kasi nga, aksidente ang kino-cover natin. Okay? If the policy issuance will be delayed, the coverage might not happen. So it will be our responsibility to check always. Okay?
Advice pag may policy, check pa rin. Check pa rin.
Yeah, no? Shall commence 24 hours after purchase. Ngayon, yung isang bagay po, yung tungkol po dun sa COVID-19. Okay? The COVID-19 assistance can only be availed after 14 to 15 days. Upon purchase now, 14 days. Baka kasi may nag-purchase, may COVID na pala. Kaya nag-purchase. So, 15 days. 15 days. Make it 15 days na lang. When you say to the client, sabihin nyo na lang 15 days. Para ano tayo. Kasi di ba incubation period is 7 na makikitaan na ng simptoma, 7 days of obserbahan bago ma-certify that it is really a COVID thing. So, 14 days. Okay? Ito po ang importante. Under manual declaration, manual declaration meaning yung sinulat lang. Kasi di ba sa MOPAS, at times, hindi natin dala yung system natin. So, nagma-manual declaration tayo. Okay? As long as it will be filed and will get into the system of Philippine British within 30 days, covered siya. And if the Spartans will support the payment. Okay? Within 30 days. Ngayon, otherwise, kung hindi na declare within 30 days, it will be covered from the date of the declaration. Okay? Kung kailan na-declare. How to apply for coverage? Oh, we do know already this. Any cooperative member who is 18 to 64. Any individual, kulang to eh. Any individual or cooperative member. Kasi pwede po natin siyang i-alok sa cooperative. Okay? Fill out the requirement of insurance premium. Okay, that's just it. Additional debt, kabuhayan, alam na po natin to, di ba? Debt and kabuhayan assistance, policy report, police report, barangay blotter, or duly filled out accident report, claim form. Death certificate, local civil registrar, original or CTC. Proof of beneficiary, oh, this one. Meron pong mga nagtatanong, common law partner, minsan nagkakaproblema, yung wala kasi silang kasal, okay? The person who will purchase the policy at the early onset should issue certification certifying that the person whom he or she put as beneficiary is a legal or common law wife. Okay? Kasi marami na ngayon ilang kasal, pero mag-asawa daw sila. So far up to this time, wala pang na-refilling clause sa ating law na acceptable ang common law lang. Hinahanapan lagi ng birth certificate.
Yung
Marriage certificate.
pwede mas innovative.
Oo, Ang problema lamang sa beneficiary that is below 18, wag na may dulot ng Diyos na matay. Hindi pa nag-18. Okay, yung bata. Eh, in any case like that, magre-require kasi ng, what do you call this? Ano to, co-maker? Parang gano'n? Or oh yeah, guardian. And that guardian will be asked also to get another type of insurance, guardianship insurance. Kasi that to where he or she will promise that the proceeds of the insurance will go to the original beneficiary. Administrator. Ang tawag doon. Administrator. Ang tawag doon pagka yung below 18 ang beneficiary, tapos mag-a-assign ng ano, hahanap pa yan ng administrator. And the administrator will need to post bond. Bond ang tawag doon. Court bond. Court ang ano nun eh. Kasi upon claim, kasi ang mga ano dyan is, excuse lang I will just drink. Yeah, I do have.
Advice na lang. Kailangan yung
Tsaka, excuse me. Watch the hierarchy then. Di ba? Wife, children, parents, and brother or sister. Hierarchy nung beneficiary. O nahahanapin, asawa,
Ano pag wala sulod ng buhay? Walang mamang
estate,
pwede pinsan na
estate. Mag-a-assign muna ng parang administrative estate, administrator, until ma-identify ang rightful beneficiary nung tao. Eh, ba't ka pa mag-i-insurance kung wala ka naman tagapagmana?
purpose kasi niya.
Sino naman ang estate means parang bumalik sa gobyerno or maging donation somewhere else. Depende. Parang ganun. So, huwag ka na kasi mag-insurance kapag wala ka din lang naman pamamanahan. Okay. Ito po, itong mga to, pwedeng kopyahin ninyo, kuhain, wait lang, iurong ko lang Accidental death, kabayan, pwedeng i-ano nyo na lang, i-picturean ninyo para at any time po nakakailanganin ninyo. Okay? O hopefully hindi naman nyo kailanganin. It's just like thinking may madidisgrasya. Okay? Ito yung fire crash, emergency illness. Okay. Sa emergency illness, ito po ang covered. Consultation or physical fee, a physician's fee. Excuse me. Original copy of official receipt, medical certificate with final diagnosis. Hospital bill, statement of account, police report, medical legal, if applicable. Okay? Going. Yan. Ito po yung taong nagre-release ng cheque natin. Si Clarice Merculita. This is the assistant of the president. Si Miss Sara Limos. Pero, bakit kayo pupunta sa kanila? Andito naman ako. So, that ends our presentation po. Thank you very much. Kung meron pa po kayong mga tanong, basahin natin. When ang effectivity after payment, may contestability period ba? Okay. Effectivity is after 24 hours. Contestability, it will depend. Okay? Contestability for cases like insane, already with COVID. Yan yung mga contestable thing, di ba? Already with existing disease, already pilay and will claim pilay. like that.
Accident po. In,
Ah?
and
Pag accident,